Hey guys, sorry my video cut off in the middle of question number 4. So just as a recap or just to restart the question, I went ahead and we got this question, okay? I'm just going to start over. How much should an insurance company be billed for the following compound if the compound was prepared in 20 minutes and the dispensing fee was $3.25? The tetracycline suspension 125 over 5 ml compounded from capsules and a mixture of Ora-Plus 50% and Ora-Sweet 50% quantity sufficient 200 ml. I'm going to give you guys a visual. The cost of tetracycline capsules, 250 milligram capsules, is 23 cents a cap. The Ora-Plus and the Ora-Sweet for 473 ml, let me see if I can bring that up here, is $9.47. So what are we really looking at here? We need to figure out the 20 minutes for the time. Okay, let me take that out. So the time that our 20 minutes at $35 an hour, okay, 20 minutes is $11.67. Our dispensing fee is a given, and it was $3.25, and what was left for us to find out was our ingredients. Okay, in this case it says that the tetracycline hydrochloride suspension 125 milligram over 5 ml compounded from capsules and a mixture of Ora-Plus 50% and Ora-Sweet 50%. So the whole Ora-Plus and the whole 200 ml quantity sufficient, because if you divide $9.47 by 473 ml, each ml comes out to being 2 cents. And because it's asking for 50% Ora-Plus and 50% Ora-Sweet, that means out of the 200 mLs that the 100 is going to be the 50% of it, which is 100 out of the 200 will be Ora-Plus, and Ora-Sweet is another 100. Okay, so 50% of it will be Ora-Plus and 50% will be Ora-Sweet, which makes your 200 ml. Okay, and then in this case, the 0.2 ml or the 0.2 cents per ml for the 100 ml deal is $2 per 100 ml. Okay, so for the Ora-Sweet and the Ora-Plus, we have a total of $4. Okay, $4. Now we need to find the tetracycline 250 milligram capsules. So because we know that our total compound is 200 ml, okay, and for every 5 ml we need 125 milligrams, we're going to divide this, okay? We're going to divide the 200 by 5 so we can figure out how many 125 milligram doses we'll need, okay? So in this case, we'll need 40 doses of 125, but because it comes in 250 milligram capsules, we'll need 20 doses of 250, right? So we need 20 capsules of 250 at 23 cents. Okay? At 23 cents. So 20 capsules multiplied by 23 cents is $4.60. $4 for the Ora-Sweet and the Ora-Plus mixture makes it $8.60. So $8.60 plus $3.25 plus $11.67 is $23.52. Another way you can figure this out is by looking at the total milligrams needed in this compound. Okay, so when you go ahead and you figure out that you need 40 doses of 5 ml, your 40 doses multiplied by the 250, or I'm sorry, the 125, the 40 doses that you have, you need 125 milligrams, right? 40 doses times 125 milligrams will give you 5,000 milligram, okay? And then if you divide that by the 250, which it'll give you how many capsules you need. You divide the 5,000 by the 250 that it comes in order to get a total of 20 capsules. That's just another way for you to figure out how many capsules you need to calculate for your dose. Okay, so just to be a little more organized, because I really don't think that it's coming out the way I want it to. You have tetracycline 250 milligram capsules, and your total bottle needs to be 125 over 5. So in order for it to be 125 over 5, if your total bottle is 200 and you divide it by 5, okay, just to get a better understanding, 200 and you divide it by 5, you get 45 ml doses, okay? 45 ml doses. Your 40 doses at 125 milligrams, 40 doses, times 125 milligrams equals 5,000 total milligrams in this bottle. So you need to pump 5,000 milligrams of powder. And because your powder comes in sets of 250 capsules, okay, you divide your 5,000 by your 250 capsules and you get 20 capsules. Okay, you divide it by your 250 milligram caps that it comes in and you get 20. And then you multiply your 20 by your 23 cents. Okay, I feel like that's just, it makes a bit better sense. Okay, and then you get your $4.60 to plug into part one of 3. Okay, so you need $4.60 worth of capsules, $2 worth of Aura Sweet, $2 worth of Aura Plus, for a total of $8.60 to plug into your formula to get your $23.52. So how much should the insurance be billed? Okay, if the compound was prepared in 20 minutes and the dispensing fee is $3.25, our metoprolol tartrate 10 milligram over ml oral liquid is in a 50-50 mixture of Aura Sweet, Aura Plus vehicle, quantity sufficient 120. Metoprolol tartrate 100 milligrams is 35 cents a tablet. Aura Plus 473 ml is $9.47 for the bottle, and Aura Sweet 473 ml is $9.47 for the bottle. So take down your facts and let's do a breakdown. Okay, so to begin, we have $11.67 because we've determined that 20 minutes at $35 an hour turns out to be $11.67. So 35 divided by 60 multiplied by how many minutes you need gives you $11.67. Then you have your $3.25 because that's your given dispensing fee. Okay, then we need to find this number. I found it already, but I want to break down how I got it. Okay, so our Aura Sweet and our Aura Plus is $9.47 for the bottle of 473 ml. In this case, it equals to 2 cents per ml. Okay, and because we need 120 ml and it's a 50-50 mixture, we need 60 ml of Aura Sweet and 60 ml of Aura Plus, which gives you a total of $1.20. Okay, 2 cents times 60 ml of each is $1.20 of each Aura Sweet and Aura Plus. So that's your $2.40. Okay, and then you need to figure out how many tablets of metoprolol how many tablets of metoprolol tartrate 100 milligram per tablet you're going to need. So what do we do here? We understand that in 120 ml, okay, because each ml is 10 milligrams, so they want each ml to have 10 milligrams of powder in it, all right? Each ml to have 10 milligram of powder. So we have our 10 here and our 120 ml that we need in our bottle. So 10 milligrams times 120 ml equals 1200 milligrams in the total bottle. Okay, our total bottle has 1200 milligrams in it. Then we need to divide, because we have 100 milligram tablets. So we need to divide and to determine how many 100 milligram tablets we're going to need in order to place or in order to fulfill our 1200 milligram total. So in this case, we need 12 tablets of 100 milligram to get 1200 milligrams. Okay, because 12 times 100 is 1200, or 12 divided by 100 is 12 tablets. Okay, so 12 tablets that we need, and we multiply it by the 35 cents per tablet that it costs us to put into this formula, it equals to $4.20. Okay, so that's our other total. So the way we get 660 is because we need $4.20 worth of metoprolol tablets, and then we need $2.40 worth of Aura Sweet and Plus, a combo. Okay, so we get our 660, and so then we add 1167 to 325 and 660, which will give us our number of 2152. Number 6 just has a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo that just wants to sound complicated, but it's really not. How much should be charged for a salicylic acid 1%, menthol 1/4%, and triamcinolone 0.1 cream, 60 grams? If the dispensing fee is 4 1/4, the cost of ingredients is 8 40 cents, and the compound was prepared in 20 minutes. Okay? So, because we figured out that 20 minutes was 1167, right? You see that corner right there? 1167, that's 20 minutes. All we have to do is pretty much add the given factors plus the 1167 that we figured out throughout this entire process. So in this case, we would add the 4 1/4, the 8 40 cents, and the 1167 in order to get our answer. And the answer is $24.32. All that other percentage stuff is there for confusion for right now, because the whole point of the question is to pretty much figure out how much per minute you're getting paid. So 1167, 4 1/4, and 840 is all you have to do to add them together in order to get your answer. Okay. Number 7. How much should be charged for menthol 1/4% and triamcinolone 0.1% cream 30 grams? If the dispensing fee is 4 1/4, the ingredients is $4.40, and the compound was prepared in 20 minutes. Again, all you do in this case is 1167, because we've determined that that's 20 minutes worth of time. 440 because that's the ingredients, and 4 1/4 because that's the dispensing fee. So we add all those together, 4/4, 440, and 1167, and the answer should be $20.32. Okay. How much should be charged for 170 ml of diphenhydramine elixir, 50 ml lidocaine viscous, 200 ml nystatin suspension, 52 ml erythromycin ethyl succinate suspension, and 28 ml of cherry syrup to make 500 ml. Okay? If the dispensing fee is 4 1/4, The cost of ingredients is $18.40 and the compound was prepared in 20 minutes. Again, this question simply states to determine how much per minute you're getting paid, which in this case 20 minutes is $11.67. You do your formula as $4.25 and your ingredients as $18.40. You add all those together for a total answer of $34.32. So that one should be a given. All right, let's do number 9. How much should be charged for 100 ml of hydrocortisone, 2 milligram per ml? If the dispensing fee is $4.25, the ingredients are $22.20, and the compound was prepared in 18 minutes. Okay, so now they want to be funny and give it to us in 18 minutes. Again, the normal rate for these formulas was $35. If you divide that by 60 minutes, you get 0.58333, etc. And then you multiply it by how many minutes you need. In this case, which one were we doing? Number 9? Number 9, I got a total of $10.49, 999. So let's say $10.50, okay? Plus $22.20 was the given for the ingredients, and plus $4.25. Okay, so we add $4.25 and $22.20, and we get somewhere around $36.94 or $36.95. Let me see. Yeah, they got $36.95. Same difference. Okay, so that should be fine. That explanation is good. Number 10, how much should be charged for 70 ml of lansoprazole, 3 milligram per ml, suspension, if the dispensing fee is $4.25? The cost is $38.14, and the compound was prepared in 15 minutes. Again, we do the $35 an hour. The $35 an hour divided by the 60 minutes, we get the 0.58333, and then we just multiply it by our 15 minutes that we are looking to complete, and in that case it's $8.75. Okay, $8.75, 4.25 plus $38.14, and we should get $51.13 or 14, however they determine. $51.14. Okay, give or take a penny. So the same thing goes down the line for the remaining questions. That's number 12, number 13, number 14, 15, 16, 17. When you have the givens, all you have to determine, prepared into the compound was prepared. Yeah, the remaining up to number 25 are the same. So those are the explanations for those. I hope that this has given you a better understanding. Any questions, let me know. Thank you.